Okay, let's have a look at this question, work example 26, also in 310, Pearson book 310. An electrical goods store determines the selling price of appliance by applying 68% markup. So calculate the selling price of a toaster board at a cost price of $23.2. What does that mean? So a cost price will have a increase or markup becomes selling price. Okay, so basically that's what it means. The cost price of $23.2 increased by, applying a 68% markup, then selling price. Okay, so what we can actually do is we could actually calculate what is the markup and then plus the original price with the markup, okay? $23.2 times the markup. Again, each time there is a percentage, you could actually change into decimal. Okay, this you can use your calculator. 23.2 times 0.68. Okay, that's giving you $15.776. Okay, so now my selling price will be my original price plus markup. It will be $23.2 plus $15.776. Okay, let's just calculate. You could do this in the calculator, or you could do this in the on a sketch paper. So 38. Oops. Okay, that's gonna be 38. Okay, so I'll show you how to do that just by doing on the paper. Again, these calculation skills are quite important. So you can actually put the 0 on, and then when you add things that's 6, 7, and that's 9, you drop the decimal, and that's 8, and this is 3. Okay, I hope that makes sense.